Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Octavian Sultan Hakim. In this video, I will give you some explanation about the ETAP 12.6, which it will be present after this. And let's go to the ETAP. This is the first look when you open the ETAP, the software of the ETAP 12.6, and I will introduce some of the feature which it in the ETAP. First, we need to click on the new, and then we give the name, like for the example, project 1. And then we give the directory for save the file. Like for the example, you will take this file on the data D, and then just click OK, and then the directory already right with the on the D file. Just click OK, and then this is for the username of you can choose anything what you want, like this is like your first project, maybe you just give the name first project, and then your full name, like my name Octavian Sultan Hakim. Just need like this. Okay, description first, introduction of ETAP. Okay, just click OK, and then there are two kind of the windows in your monitor. The first one is for the project editor, and then the second one is for the edit mode. And then in this section you can make a project, like you wanna make a transmission, or you wanna make a distribution from the GE to the feeder, and etc. But the first time you need to know about what is the standard of your project. This is you can setting the standard of the project. For the example, you choose IEC, and then the frequency is 50. Like in Indonesia, the frequency fundamental is 50, and then the unit system you can choose metric or English. If you use the metric, the unit of the length or height, it will be changed to the meters. But if you choose English, you will find the unit of the cable or the transmission, it will be fit on the feet unit. Okay, let's watch it. Let's watch the difference between English and metric. The first we choose English, and then it's the format, like you can use USA or Japan or Europe. It's depend on your job, or maybe it depends on your territory or your side of the project. I think in this not in a long time we use a USA, and then let's what's the difference. Like you choose transmission line, maybe you can double click and the parameter and the configuration. Now this is the difference when we choose the standard with the English and the standard with the metric. The unit of the configuration will be fit on the English, but if we change the standard of the unit system to the metric. It will change the unit of the configuration. It will change to the meter. I think for us in the Indonesia, the meter unit it's very useful. I mean, very helpful to know the distance of the cable, the distance between the transmission, and then I will give some little configuration maybe in this introduction. Like for the example, we want to use the transformator. This is the transformator, which we already know that it can produce the voltage. It can increase or decrease the voltage depend on the rating and what do you want to use. You want to make it step up or you want to make it step down. This is we will discuss about it and we will use it later in the next my video. This is we will change the primary to and the secondary with what is our parameter like this, and then we can know how to setting the transformer in the second video, because in this first video I just wanna show you about this etap. And then this is the bus bar. Wait, this is the bus bar. In so many projects, the bus bar is very useful because you need to know how to connect with the system. With it need a copper for connect the system. So the bus bar is one of the important things in the system that can connect its cable or its transmission when we use the etap. So it will be more interesting when you know how, when you have so many plan and then you need to connect it on the one of the panel or maybe one of the project. Yeah, I think you will need the bus bar for connect it. And then in this project we have supply, like this, if you can watch, this the generator. When the simple project, when we have a generator and then we have the transformator, and then the transformator goes to the feeder. This is the feeder with the lamp load. So feeder, when you choose the generator, I think you can choose so many generator what you want to use. And then for now I think we just discuss about the introduction. And then when you connect it, and then you make the like a flow load analysis, you can watch how is the flow of the generator. For the example, I already made a project before that we will make it after this first video. And I could open in my project or not, but I wanna try. Nah, this is my first project that I will want to make in my next video. In this project, we will make some analysis that we can watch in this flow, in this load flow analysis. In this load flow analysis, we can watch so many things that we want to watch the VA and ampere of the system, and then we will use some bus bar and some trevo for connect the generator to the feeder. So we can watch so many the parameter in this monitor, like the output of the generator, when go to the bus bar, and then after pass the transformator, there's some losses and then change the rating, change the value of the ampere because of the setting parameter in this transformator. When we use the primary is, well, in this case I use the transformator for the step down transformator. So if I have some mistake, I think you can give some explanation because in the commenter, because I'm in this video just want to show you about the etap itself, and we will discuss about this load or this flow in the next video. So I will prepare it. If you have some question, if I can answer it, I will try to answer. But if I cannot answer it, you can watch or search on the Google or etc. Thank you for your attention. This is the introduction of the etap 12.6. If I have some mistakes, I'm very forgive me. I'm very sorry, and please forgive me. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.